Welcome back to our channel. Ngayon po ay nandito na naman ulit tayo. Mga kamamshis, hello po ulit. So ngayon po, nga nakaraan, busy talaga kami kasi na-diagnose ako na may gallstone. 3 centimeter na po siya halos. Exactly, it is 2.47 centimeter. Every month, lagi ako ng hospital every time that I attempt to eat like even a little piece of eggs, perhaps ice cream. Yun yung last time na talagang masakit yung tiyan ko. Yung dito. Dito talaga banda. So, ayun na nga. Dito banda siya, guys. So, yeah. And then, pagkatapos po, every now and then, umiinom ako ng maraming gamot. Ito po. So, marami talaga mga bawal. Like, lahat ng mantikain. Pwede ka naman kumain ng mantika basta olive oil yung ginamit. Pero hindi pa yun siya 100% sure na hindi siya sasakit. Yung fatty foods also. Tapos, yun. Until such time, that was way back June, I actually planned to have an operation, but then I did not pursue it because I was afraid na even though marirelieve yung aking sakit, I was told by someone na magkakasakit ka pa rin even though na mawawala na yung abdo mo. So, di ba, wala ka nang abdo, wala nang tagkasala, na mga cholesterol and all that stuff. So, didiretso na talaga yan sa liver. So, pag didiretso na siya sa liver, then, another cause of problem. That's gonna be fatty liver. Or perhaps, didiretso na sa kidney or any organs inside of your stomach. Na, di ba, every now and then, you eat something, then, wala na talagang mapapala. So that's why I was recommended also by someone that just keep taking a medicine. That's actually what we call Rawcol. So Rawcol, I was actually started to take that medicine since after a week that I was diagnosed na meron akong gallstone. There are times na na-stop siya kasi it's too expensive. What I did before is that twice a day po siya. But then, during the time na nagpa-hospital ako, I was admitted so that I can be scheduled for operation. But due to some financial problems, 120,000 per year na. I even posted on Facebook asking for help. And I understand that you cannot get any help from anyone. So, yeah, I accepted the fact that I need to force myself to leave that hospital and then pursue my dreams and continue working because I am the one who is, the breathing water in this family. So, yeah, I would like to share with you, yes, it is really effective. What the doctor did is that they provided me a prescribed, yung Rawcol. So, nalapitan ko yung disability. Bigyan ako ng tablet. And then instead of having it, like 2 times a day, they actually recommended to take it 3 times a day. So, imagine, if you're gonna purchase it from Mercury Drug, that costs 50 pesos to be honest. And then yung sa mga generic lang na mga pharmacy, that costs 25 to 36 pesos each. So ayun po, patience is really a virtue after since March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, I keep on taking that medicine. It gives me good, to be honest. And then instead of me having an operation now, Ilan po yun, actually po, marami pong masakit talaga kapag halos yung likod mo, hindi ka na makatayo sa sobrang sakit. And then, sumusuka ka, iba yung kulay ng suka mo hanggang sa maging puti na siya, like laro na. Like, after kang kumain ng is malikit na bawal, you will need to, you know, you need to do suka 3 to 4 times para lang mawala yung sakit. So, do not wait for that. So, ayun po.
Shall we?
5 months or 4 to 5 months taking that medicine with a 2.47 centimeter, I can tell, drink water a lot, eat fruits a lot, like bananas, apple. That's what I eat. Fish, and then moderately dose bawal, of course. I can tell na after those months of struggling, pain, and everything, I can really say na I am truly, truly blessed that I still have my apto. I still have my gallbladder, and I'm really, really doing fine so far. And I'm not gonna wait for it to happen again, of course. So, ayun po. At least meron kayong clue. Kasi yung paminsan-minsan, it's really not good if you're gonna do the flushing if malaki na yung gallstone mo. So, I recommend Vocol. This is really not paid advertisement for Vocol, but this is a true story and share experience to those gallstone patients like me. At least there's always a way for you to get your pain relief. Patience is a virtue lang po talaga, guys. And I know for a fact na mahal talaga yung gamot. But then, it's really effective. And then, at the same time, water, water, water. And never forget to drink water all the time. And of course, bawal matulog agad-agad. At least, wait to the 30 minutes after you eat. And then, so that your gallbladder can process the food that you're eating. And yes, because kahit wala na ba yung gallbladder niya na taga-sala, as what I've said, naputol po tayo kanina, na babalik pa rin yung sakit after like 20 years. So, hindi pa rin siya totally relieved, right? Wala ka na ng bladder, may another problem ka na naman sa tiyan mo, at the same time, babalik pa rin yung sakit mo, right? So, I better yet want to share with you guys those stories. And please eat moderately, eat nutritious food, and spend your money wise. That's all. Thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.